Hello, my name is Mohsin Rauf, and in this video, we will be exploring the topic of vision, mission, and objectives. There is a fundamental but difficult question for managers to answer, and this question is, what are we trying to achieve? And managers may answer this question as keeping the company in business and surviving another day on the job. Such answers clearly show a lack of understanding of what the company is about. What is its reason for being? Why was it established at first place? So, the objective of this video is to help finding answer to this question. Well, in quest of finding answer to this question, what are we trying to achieve in this organization? Maybe it is about time to refer back to this strategy framework designed by Professor Alex Scott in his book Strategic Planning. Previously, as per the sequence of this strategy framework, we had learned about the strategists of this company and found answer to the first half of the question, who decides? So we had found the answer of this first half of the question, who decides to do what? Now, as we will learn about the second component of this framework, which is objectives, we will hopefully reach to the answer of the second part of this question. The second part is to do what? So the question is who decides to do what? And hopefully we will get answer to this second part of this question. And once we have found answer to the second part of this question, this way we will complete our investigation and learning about the decision makers of the organization and the objectives they are after for the organization. And this will complete the first layer of this strategy framework. And we will have found a complete answer to this complete question, who decides to do what? One of the many roles of the CEO is to develop a long-term view of what the company is about and the markets it should be operating. This is sometimes called the vision because it is not expressed in detailed terms and it just gives the broad thrust within which the company will be directed. But it is necessary to translate this vision into a tangible set of directions which can be used by employees to direct their efforts in a manner which is consistent throughout the organization. The mission statement needs to have several characteristics, including the following. It should serve as definition of the business the organization is in. It should be clearly understood by employees, and it should provide a focus for activities. And after developing the mission statement, we need to derive objectives. And objectives are measurable performance targets which organizations set for themselves. So here is the brief journey from vision to mission to objectives. In a nutshell, an organization or the company must have a broader view about what the company is about and what markets the company wants to operate in. And then from the vision statement or from the vision of the company, we need to derive mission, which is the definition of the business. It should be clearly understood by all employees and it should provide focus for activities. And from the mission statement, we need to derive objectives that the organization and its employees should be after to achieve. And those objectives should be measurable performance targets.